In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching an app you want to use in this view on the top half of your screen. Then access it in the background, and when you're ready, hold it. After a few seconds, all of those icons will show. When they do, click on this one with the rectangles right under the padlock one. Then, you can either click on Other app from the background or choose Home button and select any app from your smartphone. Then enjoy using both at once. If you wanna, you can hold this line here in the middle and drag it to resize your apps. You can use the same one, and by dragging it all the way up or all the way down, exit split screen. Then tap on the Home button to close the remaining app. But what most people miss is that you can actually click on those three dots at the top of any app. This way you get access to all of those options. Thanks to this X on the right, you can close chosen app to select a different one. Thanks to this one on the left, you can use chosen app in full screen view. Those two of split screen can switch placement of your apps. If you want to, you can also go from split screen view to pop-up view. Just tap on this icon here next to the X one. If you wish to go back to split screen, tap on the same three dots and pick one of those split screen icons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!